but things are getting tougher. These fuel costs are absolutely devastating to the carriers. And don't corner me afterwards and say, don't you know we're the best form of distribution? I know it, and I'm with you. But there are too many out there that don't think about it. And somebody gave the statistic this morning about the direct sales or so and how many referrals you got. That's the type of stuff they can listen to, too. Did the referral come from a direct sale or did it come from an agent? Tax deductibility. We've had a few of those issues, and I'm going to go into, well, I may not be going into outside sales today if we have a little time. We're going to try to today. You've been writing off some of your fam trips. You've been writing off some of your ski trips because you want to sell ski tours. You've been writing off your diving trips. You wouldn't do that, Mark, no. If they met last year on the Barrier Reef on a beautiful catamaran for our conference. But we did have seminars, right? Everybody backs each other up. We have no problem on that one. Travel law case says that you may deduct travel expenses to indirect and view potential client destinations and facilities as ordinary and necessary business expenses, not educational expenses. So when working with your tax preparer, if you are going to deduct some of these, and they're not this type of seminar, and they are family in nature, without these type of educational seminars, and this is a good thing about this type of conference, because they really are bringing educational material to you, then you don't take them off for educational purposes, but for business and necessary expenses. And that's the Leamy versus IRS. I know you'll love this site. You all have it at home. It's 85 Tax Court 46. Nobody reads that crap. You know, that's in the library type of book. But in case your tax preparer wants to know on agent fam trips, that's the best case on your behalf. Not that you have problems, but just in case, preventive legal care so we don't have problems with taxes. Liability cases. We have anybody out there that have gotten caught in any of the bankruptcy cases where they've been coming after you? California, the only place? Yeah, all right, so you don't have to raise your hand, just let me know, nod a head or so, you don't want to be embarrassed. It wasn't your fault. But we're not going to have this problem anymore because we're going to get rid of some of those cases by using the pink sheet. Now, if you want more